Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Turtle Story Time. We have a turtle lacing craft and we have some fun turtle stories. Now in the children's department you will find this craft while supplies last. That is this lacing weaving craft. So let's have some fun. The box turtle. When the little box turtle hatched, his parents noticed something missing. Oh me, oh my. But they weren't dismayed. They gave him a name and a shell, both of which fit just right. Now Terrence, you are just so much more than just a shell. Terrence's shell kept him dry on the soggiest days, safe from the snoopiest strangers, and on the scariest nights. Ooh, ooh. That cute shell. Box shell. It was big enough to share. Terrence loved his shell. Until one day, your shell is weird. Oh no, got all pink in the face. He's upset. Poor Terrence. Suddenly, Terrence's shell seemed too boring, too bizarre, and too big for the little box turtle to bear. So he abandoned it for something better. Terrence searched high and low until, wowee! His new shell looked sleek. Eek! But it showed too much cheek. The search continued. Ooh la la. He looked classy. He looked sassy. He looked just like Grandma Mildred. He looked for another shell. Donations. Oh yeah, he found it. A perfect polka dotty package. Pop. That was positively petrifying. Ah! Terrence tried shell after shell. After shell. Bzzz. After shell. Arrgh, matey. This whole situation stunk. Pew. A lot. Oh no. That's it. I give up. Plop. Scuttle, scuttle, scuttle. His little friend. Here you go. Oh, he's trying to give him his shell. He plucked it right off. See? What a good friend. Oh, wow. In that moment, the hermit crab showed what it meant to be a friend. The little crustacean was so much more than just a shell, and maybe Terrence was too. Terrence knew what he needed to do. But when he found his old shell, oh no. It had changed. Uh-oh, Terrence, uh-oh. It's okay, we can fix it. The box got a little messy. Terrence patched on soggy days, bandages. He toiled on chilly nights. The task grew big enough to share. Oh, look at all these people helping him. all his friends. Finally, the shell was finished. Looks beautiful. Aw. It wasn't sleek or sassy. It was far from perfect and definitely weird. But Terrence wasn't dismayed because this little box turtle was so much more than just his shell. The end. Yay, Terrence. The end. In your grab and go lacing turtle kit, you will find a turtle with slits in it and 7 of these strips to lace on through. So you are simply going through your own pattern here. Over and under. Over, under, and feed it through. Whoop. There you go. I'm sure you can come up with other patterns too, but this is the simplest. Over and here. Over and under. So just like that. When you turn them over at the end, to see how pretty it looks when it's all finished. Here's another one done. Over and under, over and under. Doo, 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 doo. Don't Blink by Tom Booth. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! Excuse me, what are you doing? I'm having a staring contest. Who are you staring at? This kid, yes, you. May I join? Sure, just don't blink. Excuse me, what are you doing? We're having a staring contest. May I join? Sure, just don't blink. Excuse me, what are you doing? We're having a staring contest. Want to join? Just don't blink. Oh, can you not blink for this long? Ooh. Excuse me, what are you doing? It looks like you're having a staring contest. May I join? May my friends and I join? The more, the merrier. Just don't blink. Staring contest! Just don't blink. Is there an elephant in the room? Hello there. Look at all of our friends. My eyes are getting tired. Mine too, 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 mine too. Whoa, it's getting harder. Stay strong, everyone. Keep those eyes open. Don't blink, don't blink, don't blink, don't blink. Blink. Who won? Didn't you? I'm pretty sure I won. Did I win? I don't think so. Did you win? Well, somebody had to win. I hope so. I never win anything. You didn't win. I was watching you. Maybe nobody won. I know I didn't win. I think you won. Excuse me, what are you doing? Do-do-do.